Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making some delicious bagels. They're chewy, they're crunchy, and best of all, they're homemade. So come along. We're going to start off with 1 3/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. If you have self-rising flour at hand, then you can use that instead. Now we're going to sift and whisk away. Next, I'm going to add 2 cups of plain Greek yogurt, and I'm going to start to mix everything together. I'm going to start to combine. Once the dough has been formed, we're going to transfer it to a lightly floured work surface, and we're going to knead it just a little bit. Next, we're going to cut the dough into 4 equal parts, and then each part we're going to roll it out to 8 inches or 20 centimeters long, and we're going to form the ring. We're then going to transfer the bagel rings onto some buttered aluminum foil baking sheet. We're going to brush the tops of the bagels with an egg wash or melted butter. I didn't have one, so I used a spoon. And last but not least, we're going to sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. You could use any type of bagel seasonings that you like at this time. We're going to pop the bagels in the oven, preheated to 200 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once they're golden brown, it's time to take them out of the oven. And voila, you have your delicious, golden, crunchy, yet chewy, homemade bagels. What I like about this recipe is you could sweeten it up by adding some sugar, some cinnamon, some raisins, or you could keep them savory with just some sesame seeds, maybe some garlic on top. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Easy peasy homemade bagels. And I will be back soon with some more delicious bakery, mouth-watering goodies. So please subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye!